Shoutout ha. Mabuhay Pilipinas! Galing! Ang galing!
Focus doon sa clan kung ano yung gusto nilang mga suntok na ipatama dito sa laban na to. And he found it. Tools coming from Yumir Marshall, but he was not ready for this one. Again, it was the hook.
Congrats Pilipinas!
He was setting it up. Nakita natin that he was faking the straight, but the money punch would be the hook over the top. He had a couple of opportunities early, came up short, but
by knockout in the blue corner representing Philippines.
Ayun!
Yumir
Galing! Super galing! Ang lakas ng loob ni Marshall, mga boss. Woo! Ayan, salamat mga boss ha. Hanggang dito na lang po. Kung gusto nyo po sumuporta guys, any amount sa ating Gcash. Tingnan natin kung susunod na ano nito mga boss.
still present.
Sinong susunod?
And more importantly, earn a medal for our Philippine box safely into the semis.
Ayan. Going to semis na siya mga boss. Going to semi-final. Ayan, congrats guys. Congrats Pilipinas. Mabuhay ha. Galing. Salamat sa nagbigay ng 70 pesos ha. Salamat po. Ayan, salamat po Leo Bayara. Salamat po. Salamat sa nagbigay ng 70 pesos. Salamat guys sa inyong pagsuporta sa aking live. Ayan, tapusin ko lang tong 92 kilograms mga boss.
下面进行第16单元第182场男子92公斤级半决赛，请裁判员、运动员入场。Red corner，红角运动员。